giveaway video is here. I'm so happy that you guys are loving all the fun DIY experiment that I'm doing. This is the last one of our series and I'm super excited for this. Guys, I'm going to customize my t-shirt, but this time I'm going to paint it without using painting brush. So it was very difficult for me to choose the designs which goes for both boys and for girls, but I came up with two designs and I hope you guys would love that. Before starting this video, I just wanted to tell you guys one thing. T-shirt print में जितनी hardness होती है उतनी hardness रहेगी इस giveaway में. If you find that t-shirt is little bit hard, don't worry because I haven't washed that t-shirt, plus I haven't worn it anytime, so because of that it would be there. Plus if you wash it over and over, वो soft हो जाएगा, so don't worry about that. Okay, let's get into the video. Starting it by getting some inspo from the Pinterest, I need to get some unisex design and which I can do it without using painting brush. Getting the bold borders so that I can see through the t-shirt. Next, the materials I need are newspapers, fabric acrylic colors, and that's it. Taking the first t-shirt and placing the newspaper in between. Next step is optional. I thought to draw lightly on borders using pencil. Now taking the black color as I felt that it would look perfect on white. Took my pencil and the back tip dipped into the color and gently printing it along the border. This gives perfect small circles on it. And here's the output. Let it dry for 2 hours, minimum 2 hours, and then moving on to the next one. For this also I'm going to keep newspaper in between and I hope this idea doesn't get so messy. So for this I took my favorite colors and painted my palm using it. Gently printing it on the t-shirt, waiting for 5 seconds and it's done. Likewise repeating the same for the other colors as well.
A few moments later.
Video, it looks super clean and no mess, and yes, with all the love. So now you can get these t-shirts by commenting down below which t-shirt you like the most using hashtag Miracanaria. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to never miss a video from me. And I know you guys are waiting for my travel vlog, but guys, let me tell you that it's very difficult for me to go out and take precautions at all the time. So I'm trying my best to go out and vlog something, but process mein hai sab kuch. So wait for it. I will be updating you on my Instagram handle, which is Miracanaria. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye. And the winner of giveaway part 2 is